Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find your leads on Facebook. So go to your business page first, and you are going to open up messages, which is here. And you're going to be redirected to the Meta Business Suite messages. Anyways, I'm just going to select these three lines and all tools. And under it, you'll see lead center, and you're just going to select it. I don't have any leads, but you're just going to select continue to open up your lead center. And you're just going to press next or dismiss or whatever, and you'll be able to see your leads. As you can see, this business is no longer operating, unfortunately, but that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.